Once Earth teemed with diverse human species, yet today Homo sapiens stand as the sole survivors of a genus that once spanned continents. The robust Neanderthals, Homo neanderthalensis, were well-adapted hunters dominating the cold European steppes with their stocky builds. Their Asian counterparts, the Denisovans, occupied vast stretches of the continent, adapting to a variety of climates and altitudes. In the lush landscapes of Indonesia, the more primitive Homo erectus persisted, showcasing a remarkable endurance across epochs. Central Africa was home to Homo rhodesiensis, another human species that adapted to its rich yet demanding environment. The diminutive Homo naledi, with their small brains, carved out an existence in the caves and plains of South Africa. Homo luzonensis, found in the Philippines, displayed a blend of archaic and modern traits in their physical makeup. In Indonesia, the tiny Homo floresiensis, nicknamed hobbits, survived on their island refuge with tools and ingenuity. China's red deer cave people remain an enigma, with their unique features hinting at a complex evolutionary history. The rapid pace of paleontological discoveries suggests that the record of human species is far from complete. Despite this diversity, by 10,000 years ago, the rich tapestry of human species had unraveled, leaving only Homo sapiens. This disappearance of human species lacks evidence of a cataclysmic event, suggesting a different kind of extinction catalyst. The extinction timeline coincides with the emergence and spread of anatomically modern humans, Homo sapiens, from Africa. Homo sapiens' exit from Africa marks the beginning of a mass extinction that extends to the present-day ecological crisis. The spread of modern humans has not only impacted fauna and flora but also led to the decline of other human species. Our species has shown a propensity for hunting to extinction, altering landscapes for agriculture, and transforming global climate. Repeated patterns of human conflict over resources and land provide a lens to view our ancestors' interactions with other humans. Annihilation of entire populations for territorial gain is a thread running through human history from ancient to modern times. Early Homo sapiens' territorial and aggressive nature likely mirrored the behaviors seen in our own historical and prehistorical periods. The idealized image of peaceful hunter-gatherers is contradicted by evidence of widespread, lethal warfare in primitive societies. Neolithic weaponry and tactics of guerrilla warfare were highly effective and brutal in their simplicity and execution. Prevalence of warfare in early societies often made violence the leading cause of death among men. Archaeological sites like Kennewick Man and Natarik reveal a long history of violent conflict and warfare. Presence of cooperative violence in our closest relatives, male chimpanzees, indicates that war predates the evolution of modern humans. Neanderthal remains often show injuries consistent with violent conflict, suggesting they were not strangers to warfare. Advanced weaponry and strategies may have given early Homo sapiens a decisive edge in conflicts with other human species. Development of sophisticated tools and cultural practices likely supported larger populations for Homo sapiens, conferring a strategic advantage. Abstract thought and communication skills, evidenced by cave art and instruments, may have been Homo sapiens' deadliest assets. Incomplete fossil record challenges researchers but also provides tantalizing clues about interactions between human species. In Europe, where the archaeological record is relatively rich, Neanderthal fossils disappear shortly after Homo sapiens' arrival. Evidence of interbreeding between Homo sapiens and Neanderthals in Eurasia indicates a complex relationship of competition and coexistence. Traces of Denisovan DNA in modern human populations across Asia and Oceania point to ancient encounters and genetic mingling. Genetic evidence suggests that Homo sapiens may have interbred with other, yet unidentified, archaic human species in Asia. Interbreeding with other human species indicates that their extinction coincided with, rather than preceded, encounters with Homo sapiens. Population growth in early human societies was exponential, leading to inevitable conflict over resources and territory. Humans, once they became cooperative hunters, faced no predators, removing a natural check on population growth. Without modern family planning, early human populations grew until they exhausted local resources, leading to conflict. Warfare, a tragic but effective population control, became an unavoidable aspect of early human societies. Gradual elimination of other human species was likely an unintended consequence of Homo sapiens' expansion. Territorial expansion by Homo sapiens happened incrementally, through a series of small, local conflicts and encroachments. Prolonged coexistence of Homo sapiens and Neanderthals suggests that Neanderthals were formidable opponents with considerable intelligence. Question of whether other human species were the first victims of the sixth mass extinction remains a poignant one. As Homo sapiens, we must reconcile with the possibility that our ancestors contributed to a mass elimination of other human species. Understanding the past interactions between Homo sapiens and other human species could offer insights into our own aggressive tendencies. The long-term survival of Neanderthals, despite competition with Homo sapiens, indicates a resilience and adaptability in our ancient cousins. Drive for territorial expansion and resource acquisition has been a constant in human evolution and history. Legacy of Homo sapiens is not only one of survival, but also of the unintended consequences of our species' success. Story of our genus is one of remarkable diversity and adaptability, shadowed by the eventual dominance of Homo sapiens. Disappearance of other human species stands as a testament to the profound impact Homo sapiens have had on the planet. Spread of modern humans out of Africa marked the beginning of a profound shift in the planet's biodiversity. Blending of DNA among various human species suggests a complex web of interactions that shaped our evolutionary journey. Echoes of our shared history with other human species are still present in our genetic code today. Tools and weapons of early Homo sapiens were not just for hunting, but also for defense and dominance. Traits that made Homo sapiens successful were a double-edged sword, leading to both progress and destruction. Vanishing of other human species is a stark reminder of the relentless march of Homo sapiens across the globe. Extinction of other human species underlines the importance of preserving the diversity of life that remains today. Reflecting on the fate of other human species could guide us in shaping a more sustainable and equitable future. Narrative of human evolution is not solely a story of triumph, but also a cautionary tale of ecological dominance. Mystery of other human species' disappearance invites us to ponder the responsibility that comes with being the last humans standing. Exploration of our prehistoric past reveals as much about our nature as it does about the fates of our ancient relatives. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.